Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to prepare homemade popcorn without any special tool, just my pot and my gas. So guys, let's get started. I'll be using 1 tablespoon of butter and 1/4 cup of groundnut oil. So I'll allow the oil and the butter to heat up very well. So I'll add my 1 cup of popcorn. I'll add salt, stir everything together and cover the pot and allow it to start popping. Intermediately, I will shake the pot so that all the popcorn will pop. Once the popping becomes very slow, I will be adding my sugar. I use 1/3 cup of sugar. Feel free to adjust it to your taste. I added sugar towards the end of the popcorn so that it does not get burnt or have any bitter taste. So I'm going to stir it and cover it up and just leave it for a few minutes so that the sugar will actually get into the popcorn. Our popcorn is ready, so I'm going to finish this up with powdered milk. This is totally optional, but I enjoy it with powdered milk. And we have our homemade tasty popcorn. So if you want to see more of my videos, kindly please hit the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.